Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz. Jack and Lady are still at Lake Jackson. They're actually filming another episode as we speak. So we usually do like a whole day, like we just cook all day and then we edit those out over the week. Sometimes. So, yeah, I might be wearing the same shirt. It's not like I just live in it for a week. It's just I filmed like 3 of these in a row. So, hi everybody, welcome back to the Between Paychecks Kitchen. This is going to be a super simple one, no cooking needed. Gonna look fancy, taste great, and it's going to break my diet, so that's the thing. But it's almost perfect for Valentine's Day if you're just trying to impress somebody or you just need a little dessert, something around. Super simple, 5 minutes, done. So before we get into it, be sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the little YouTube-y stuff, ring the little notification bell, give us a like, very much appreciate that. And, and there's going to be a link down in the doobly-doo for our merchandise. We got aprons and oven mitts and spoons and spatulas and flippers and all kind of stuff. Link's going to be down in the doobly-doo, and let's just get into it, man. All right, super simple, easiest one we've ever done. You're going to get one of these angel food cakes. I found it just by the fruit and vegetable thing. You're going to need some whipped cream, Cool Whip stuff, and some kind of berries. Now, you don't have to do these three. You can do it all in one thing if you want. I got this because it's mixed blue, black, and raspberry, even though I don't know what the hell color rasp is. So, that's all you need. Get you a nice plate that you want to serve it on, something that's super nice. One that's got a sparkly skull and crossbones on it seems to work for me. And that's all you're going to need as prep, right? So you're going to need a super sharp knife. Go wash your fruit, right? Boop, boop. Washed fruit. Yay, stuff. Just throw them all in together because, I'm going to mix them up in there, so it's not that big a deal to keep them separate. There it is. Big sharp knife. There's Andy's knife. Shout out to Andy. Thanks again. And let's get this thing open. Okay, I edited that out because it took too long for me to figure out how to open that effing package. So, okay. So if it sticks to this, it's like the old Twinkie stuff. There's always like Twinkie left on it. See how sharp that knife is? It just shaves the cake. Now, just try to put it back. Like, this is not mandatory. This is just me being an idiot for no other reason other than I am. Yeah, splat. There. Done. That's all you need there. So take that bad mamma jamma and just lay it on its side and cut it once. Just cut it all the way in half if you can. Be very careful because you don't want to tear up your stuff. But if it does tear, don't worry about it because we got Cool Whip. That's one of the tastier food glues that we have. So just put one piece down. The top piece that's nice that you didn't have to shave, set it to the side. So get your Cool Whip out and make sure whoop. Alright, don't worry if you do that because it tends to stay in there like a blizzard. So just go ahead and make you a thin layer here. Not super thin. You don't want to spread it on like mayo, right? We're going to put a little more on top, so it's not that big a deal. So then just get your berries. Now some of these are a little wider. Now look, your raspberry don't have a core, so you can just reach and just kind of pull them apart and lay them down so you don't worry about too big. These blackberries are a little big, so you just take a sharp knife, cut them in half. If you want to, again, it's optional. If you want just big hunky berries in the middle of your cake thing, you're fine, but do that. So give you a thin layer of fruit, right? Doesn't have to be super thick right here. You don't want to bunch up too much. And then give you another little bit of whipped cream here. Just a few spoonfuls on top because you're going to put that cake on top of it. It's going to mash out like you're making a sandwich and all the mayo comes out the side. You know what I'm talking about? So just go ahead and put that on there. Just put it down on the top, squish. And you're trying to refugees like this blueberry, just push him back in there. Now, you get your whipped cream out, make you a layer on top. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to be pretty. Mine started looking like Trump's hair, so I changed it around a little bit, gave it a little more of a cool factor, and then put you a thin layer across the bottom here. Don't want it too far out. All this is doing is making sure your berries don't go away while you're eating the cake. That's all this is for. So just put it around the ends, put it around the sides. I did my sides first because that's a longer piece of cake, I guess, whatever logic that means. And apparently only did one end. I didn't realize it until I was editing it. I completely forgot one. I was just so eager to get this done. So you get your nice thin layer of Cool Whip on top and on the bottom. Just go ahead and put your fruit on it. That's it. Like, you don't have to be artistic. Like, I try to leave gaps because it looks cool with all the different colors and the white of the whipped cream and stuff. But just spread it on there. Make faces. Put curse words on it because that would be hilarious. And I'm kind of upset that I didn't think to do it while I was on here. Put your name on it. Put an engagement ring. And then you're done. See, this is what it puts on here. And it looks great. It took like all of 5 minutes. This is outstanding. There was a discussion over on the Facebook talking about what this is called. Like, people suggested it was related to a chantilly cake or a berry strawberry shortcake kind of thing, but it's not shortcakes, and shortcakes are like crispier apparently, even though I've never had one like that. But that's what this is. This, I ended up using it as a dessert for like 5 days. Just keep it in the fridge, just left it on the plate, man, and it was fine. This was perfect. It's outstanding, super easy. It looks really fancy, and it is so much sugar you'll be happy. But with the berries, you can kind of fool yourself into thinking it's healthier. So if you just have family, or you want to do Valentine's Day or something, hey, I made you something, it's cake, oh, it's super fancy, you can suck up, and there you go. There, that looks classier, right? This fucking kid. So, if you do this differently, like to see us do it differently, you want to see us do an actual like strawberry shortcake, let us know. Put it down in the comments. We very much appreciate that. You can also find us on social media. You can find us at Facebook, Pinterest, Patreon. Shout out to our patron. Thank you very much. We couldn't do this without you. You can find us at all those at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. You can also find us on Instagram at Living Between. And you can always find us here on YouTube. Tuesdays and Fridays. We try to do this about 11 every day. On Tuesdays and Fridays, not every day. Until we start making that big money. Again, thank you again. Shout out to everybody who subscribed. We have over 1,000 subscribers. How awesome is that? That is too cool. And man, I'm going to go eat some more of this sugar stuff because I'm a fat guy. And I'll see you next time.